So my staff keeps saying they want to include a faster boat into our fleet to head out to the sandbar. This is what we currently have, our pontoon, which is incredibly comfortable. Fast boat, well, that gets you there faster. So what do you prefer?
The pontoon, well, it'll get you to the sandbar a little bit slower, but you can relax, hang out, talk, move around the boat. You actually can drink your cocktail. You have the option to hang in the shade or even in the sun because of the great bimini. And, if you want, you can have a dance party. I also think it's a lot more comfortable for the dogs. And it's really fun to load up the pontoon with lots of fun gear like kayaks and paddleboards and head out for a fun adventure. So how about the fast boat? And now when I'm talking fast boat, I'm not talking this fast. The fast boat, well, it gets you to the sandbar faster. And, well, that's pretty much it. And, well, I got to tell you, it is really fun going fast. The one thing for sure, though, is that wherever the pontoon is, that is where the party's at.
So what's your choice?